Hello. Hi everybody. Welcome to day 57. What date is it? It's Friday the 15th of May. Friday the 15th of May. Welcome back everybody. Day 57 won't be long now until I'm running to the hills with no internet or nothing. That'll be Tuesday, I guess. So today's song was requested by a very special man out in Strandhill. His name is Paul, and his mother's name is Maura, and they know him as 5 o'clock every day. But Paul requested this song, not a song I think I might have sang it years and years and years ago when I was in a girl band, and we used to sing in pubs on Sunday mornings. Pubs used to be absolutely jammers after Mass on Sunday. So you were always, there was a better time to play than Saturday night. We'd all be in the droves, whole families in the Stroketown Arms and places like that. So anyway, I think this was in the repertoire. And it was written by Barney Rush. He's from Sallynoggin. And Barney was a great songwriter, but of course Christy Moore turned this song to gold, as he does all the songs he chooses to sing. And I think he brought it out in 1976, and Barney Rush also wrote "The Crack Was 90 in the Isle of Man." You might know that one. So it's part of the vernacular now. One of these songs that you hear at Sing Songs very regularly, and I'd like to sing it for not only Paul and Maura, but Catherine Kelly is. Where are you? Did I write Brittany down? Marcy Brown in Massachusetts, Susan Wood in Wales, Jack Brambick in Arizona, Tina Cablau in Toronto, Mary McCarrick in Boston, Jeanette Bluher in Swanee, John in Davenport, of course, David Cox in Michigan, and yeah, I hope you enjoy this one. Who else is out there? Peter, Bob, Stephen, Eamon, Delaney, how are you doing? Jack is back. How are you, Jack? Mary Murray in the crockery. And Seamus, how are you keeping? How's that llama of yours? Tim, Susan, Sarah, Kevin. Thanks for joining me, guys. I hope you'll be singing along with this one. If I can remember the words and the chords. It's been a while. Of all the stars that ever shone, not one does twinkle like your pale blue eyes, like golden corn at harvest time. Your hair sailing in my boat, the wind gently blows and fills my sails. Your sweet scented breath is everywhere. No matter where I wander, I'm still haunted by your name. The portrait of your beauty stays the same. Standing by the ocean, wondering where you've gone, will you return again? Oh, where is the ring I gave to Nancy Spain? Daylight peeping through the curtain of the passing night time is your smile. The sun in the sky is like your love. Come back to me, my Nancy. Linger for just a little while. Since you've left these shores, I've known no peace nor joy. No matter where I wander, I'm still haunted by your name. The portrait of your beauty stays the same. Standing by the ocean, wondering where you're gone, will you return time. Snow starts to melt and streams do flow. With the birds I'll sing a song. In a while I wander down by bluebell groves where wildflowers grow. And I hope that lovely Nancy will return. All together now. No matter where I wander, I'm still haunted by your name. The portrait of your beauty stays the same. Standing by the ocean, wondering where you've gone, will you return again? Oh, where is the ring I gave to Nancy Spain? One more time. No matter where I wander, I'm still haunted by your name. The portrait of your beauty stays the same. Standing by the ocean, wondering where you've gone, will you return again? Oh, where is the ring I gave to Nancy Spain? Oh, where is the ring I gave to Nancy Spain? Oh, where is the ring I gave to Nancy Spain? Thanks very much. Thanks for joining me. Actually, Nancy Spain was a real life character. She was a journalist, a female journalist. She was a gay female journalist that lived back in the 50s, and she was openly gay, and so she was in for a lot of flack from a lot of people, and she was very brave and a very influential figure. So fair play to Nancy Spain, and she's immortalised in that song. More tomorrow at 5 o'clock. See you then, 24 hours from now. Bye.